Hello everyone, welcome sa ating YouTube channel, and for today, I will be giving you another update of our succulents after watering them. So sa previous vlog natin, I showed you yung ating mga dehydrated succulents and how I watered them. And after a couple of days, parang 3 days, here's an update of our succulents. So lahat sila actually is diniligan ko na sila isa-isa, except for some succulents like this. Hindi ko pa ito talaga diniligan, although matibay yan. Hindi ko siya diniligan kasi I really wanted it na maging red pa yung kanyang color. So I really wanted to see yung pinaka-stress na color niya, including itong ating Madiba. So ayan siya, as you can see, medyo wrinkled na rin yung kanyang leaves and nag-start nang mag-curl yung kanyang leaves. Ayan. So usually ito medyo naka-open to, but then since hindi nga siya nadiligan for almost 2 months na, nag-start na rin siyang mag-close and eventually mag-close pa yan and we can appreciate yung kanyang pinaka-stress na color. So these two succulents, hindi ko pa yan nadiligan, but eventually siguro next time I will be watering them. So most of ating mga succulents are already watered, and after watering nga, unti-unti nang babalik sa dati yung kanilang pinaka-leaves. So, I just wanted to give you an update itong ating baby toes. So, kung napanood nyo yung previous vlog natin, super wrinkled yung ating baby toes during that time. Pero, ayan o, in just like a day or two, bumalik na ulit siya sa dati. So after watering yung ating mga succulents, hindi naman agad-agad dapat maging ganyan na yung kanilang leaves. So it will actually take time. So usually 2 to 3 days or sometimes a week before natin talaga makita yung significant changes sa kanilang pinaka-leaves. Like for example, ito, ayan, may kita ninyo, wrinkled pa rin siya. Although, nag-improve na rin yung kanyang leaf. Sa ngayon, nag-start na siya maging plump. But then, siguro after mga 4 days or a week nga, unti-unti nang magiging parang plump or full na ulit yung kanilang pinaka-leaves. So, as you can see, ito lang yung pinaka-area natin for my succulents kasi ito lang talaga yung area na naarawan. So, my succulents actually receive about 4 to 5 hours of sunlight each day. So, depende yan sa weather, but okay na din yan kaysa talagang wala silang nare-receive na sunlight. So, ito yung ating mga agavoides. So, I think nung nabili ko ito and nung tinanim ko sila dito, sobrang liliit lang nila, literally. But right now, talagang medyo napupuno na yung ating pot. So, abangan natin siguro eventually next time hindi na natin makita itong mga top dressings dito kasi na-cover na nga sila nitong ating succulent. Ayan, some of them. Ayan, so ito rin yung isang nating baby toes. Ito yung talagang super dehydrated last time. Nag-improve naman na siya, although hindi pa ganun ka-okay yung kanyang recovery. Ayan, yung ating mga succulents. Ito, hindi ko pa rin pala ito nadiligan kasi nagaganda na ako sa kulay niya. Gustong-gusto ko yung kanyang red tips. Ayan, so eventually, pag na-stress pa yan, mas lalong magiging colorful yung leaf color niya. This one, nadiligan ko na siya and naturally sobrang ganda ng succulent na to. Ayan, lalo na sa under direct sunlight. Ito yung kanyang natural na color, talagang parang pastel pink yung kanyang color, and some of our succulents are here. Ayan, so just quick update muna tayo before ko i-announce yung ating winner ng ating pag-giveaway. I also have this one. Hindi ko alam yung kanyang name. So, I just bought it. Mukha siyang soft tignan. Pero pag hinawakan mo to, ano siya? Para siyang buto ng munggo. Munggo beans yung niya. Ganun katigas yung kanyang leaf. So, this one too. Yan. So, yung ating lawi, last time pinakita ko sa inyo, isa siya sa mga nilubog ko, diba? So, here's an update. It looks good. So, madami pa siyang dried leaf sa ilalim, hindi ko pa siya tinanggal. So, eventually, sooner or later, tatanggalin natin yung kanyang dried leaf sa ilalim. This is also one of my favorite na succulent. I think maliit na yung kanyang pot. So, I will be repotting this one soon. Yan. So, nung nabili ko to, sobrang liit lang niya, but now talagang lumaki na siya. Our lovely rose. Ayan. Our Ellen. And our clavatum. So, sa ngayon talagang malakas yung amoy ng ating clavatum. Sobrang bango niya. And I really love smelling this one, especially na hindi ako nag-apply sa kanya ng fungicide, insecticide. So talagang wala, kaya na-appreciate ko yung amoy niya. Ngayon, our variegated tubans. This one is already potted, while this one hindi pa siya potted. Ayan, nakapatong lang siya dito sa ating planter, so siguro later itatanim natin siya. Our mountain rose succulents, hindi ko in-expect na mabubuhay ko sila. Although, until now, hindi pa rin sila naging pink. I mean, lumamig na yung weather, nag-winter na kami. Sabi kasi nila, diba, pag winter, pag malamig ang panahon, magpi-pink siya. Pero until now, green pa rin naman siya. Walang nangyari. So, I don't know kung paano talaga siya maging pink. Our sedum, what's this? Ay, ito yung Tokusan succulent natin. Nilagay ko na lang siya dito sa ating pig planter. Ayan, so medyo lumaki na rin siya, so I need to trim that one. And in this area, some of our succulents na hindi pa rin naitanim, and some of our planters na waiting pa rin na mataniman. So madami pa akong succulents na need itanim, pero wala nga akong time na itanim sila. Plus, we don't have enough space. So, ayan muna sa ating mapipiling winner natin. Just a reminder sa ating winner ng ating pa-succulent giveaway. If kayo yung winner, please send us a message sa ating Facebook page sa Desert Succulent and Ornamental Plants. And then, once you got our confirmation, pwede na kayong bumili sa inyong favorite na seller. So, for example, kayo yung nanalo, you can just simply mine any succulent that you want worth 1,000 pesos. So, sa 1,000 pesos na yun, madami na kayong mabibiling succulent. So, depende na rin sa variety. But then, recently kasi sobrang mura ng mga succulent varieties na binibenta ng ating mga Benguet sellers. And for 1,000 pesos, I'm pretty sure na madami kayong mabibili na magandang succulents with that amount. So, yung ating shipping fee, free din. Akong sasagot whether nasa Visayas kayo, Mindanao, or Luzon, I will be paying for the shipping fee. So, congratulations sa ating winner. And I hope that you will continue to support Desert Succulent kahit na kukunti na lang yung ating mga succulents dito sa China. So, that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to ating YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page, Desert Succulent PH.